What is it, Brent?
It's a fidget spinner.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you show us some new tricks?
Mm-hmm.
Show us some tricks with your fidget spinner. Guys, this is a fidget spinner. It's got it in a cup holder. Oh, wow. Show us how you can do it on one finger, Brent. Oh, wow. Don't you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds awesome, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, this is a fidget spinner in a cup holder.
It smells like a watermelon. See that? It's a watermelon.
It looks like a watermelon?
Yeah, it's in the camera.
Guys, isn't that great?
Mm-hmm.
These fidget spinners, man, they're just like the new gadget for kids or for people with ADHD.
ADHD?
Yeah. It helps calm people down who love to fidget. So that's why it's called a fidget spinner. So guys, you can fidget everywhere or anywhere. What do you like about the fidget spinner, Brent?
I like when I
Uh-oh.
do some tricks.
Oh, show us what tricks you can do with it. Let me see. Show us what tricks you can do with your fidget spinner.
Did you saw it?
Let me see. Let's show us how it spins on the floor. Guys, if you have a hardwood floor, it really spins.
It looks like hockey.
Right, it reminds Brenton of a hockey puck. Let me zoom in a little bit, guys, so you can see it. Brent, show us your thumb trick with the fidget spinner.
Did you fall away?
Right, show us your thumb trick, though. Everybody wants to see your thumb trick with the fidget spinner. Come show us. Come show us your thumb trick with the fidget spinner. All right. Come on, let's do it.
I'm going to do with 2 thumbs.
Okay, let's see you do it. There we go. Now turn it over on your thumb. Let's see, guys. Let's show the world the fidget thumb trick. Oh my goodness, Brent.